Hello everyone, welcome back. In this new video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install CorelDRAW 2021 latest version 23. I will give a link in description. You just have to download, and one step you have to install only, and is a fully registered activated version. You don't need to worry about activation. Okay, just you have to download from my description link, and then you have to follow my video steps, and you have to do same until end, and then you will use forever whenever you want to use. You don't need to worry about activation. Okay. So what you have to do, you just have to download the CorelDRAW full version from our description link, and then you will get this folder, and you have to open the folder, and then you have to just right click and install. But before, make sure that you have to close your security. If you have Windows security or any antivirus, you have to close the protection, because it will disturb during the installation procedure. So you have to off all protection system, and then you have to right click and run as administrator. It will take a little bit time, then it will show you the next step. Okay, you just have to click yes, then it will create a temporary folder anywhere you want to create. If you want to in DEF, you can change here whatever you want. Okay, click OK, and it will take a little bit time. It's showing Russian language, but don't worry, inside have English language also. Okay, as you can see, serial number already is written here, so you don't need to write serial number. Just you have to write here name, any name you want to write. So click typical installation, and then you have to wait. Depends on your system. If you have a nice PC, like if you have minimum 4 GB RAM, then it will work very perfectly fast. It's really wonderful, nice gift for all of you viewers, because you are supporting our channel, and I hope you will support more. Okay, let's see guys, is already installed, so I'm going to check. Just you have to double click, and you have to wait, and you have to click agree here, and then we can check if it's work properly or not. So guys, as you can see, is not asking any kind of registration, login, or serial number, or activation. Is fully registered and nice software, latest, so you can do your work with this, and I hope you will do same step and you will get success too. If you have any kind of problem, always ask in comments, and please don't forget to hit subscribe button, and share our videos, give us thumb like. It's your beautiful lovely support for us, that give us courage that we can make more and more nice videos for you. So thanks for watching guys, keep in touch guys, for next time. Bye bye.